Trini bites again here in the house. I know you see we do this a few times, but it's breakfast for them children in the morning. They like this. So every time I come here by the lake, I gotta make breakfast for them. So bacon and eggs again, and I might do some potato for them in diced small pieces and fry them up on top here. This girl got the money's worth already, you know.
Yeah, we filled it.
Back, I have to take out the whole liner and screw it back in. I have to screw it on the back. So I said, yo,
What's up?
not that much. We're gonna pump up the float.
Pump up the float now.
Grizz is helping?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yo, which one did you use? This one or this one?
the pointy one.
Now when you put the sausage, ooh, so cool it is. when you put the sausage, the hot dogs to fry in the bacon oil, it's one of the greatest things, man.
Or you don't want to eat yet.
Grizz have stew chicken and rice.
Amen, man.
Alright, I meet up one of my subscribers here, Arnold and his family.
Yeah, man. Big up Trini Bites, you know.
Yeah,
Love
man.
this channel, brother.
And his family is here. He getting ready to barbecue and cook the curry and thing, you know.
Curry goat and thing, you know.
Everything here. All his family here. Alright? Yeah, wanna say hi or hello to anybody?
Say hi. Wanna say hi to my mom and dad back home. You know. Love this channel. Anita, my wife. We love this channel, man.
Alright, that's his wife, eh? Alright.
All my friends and family here, man.
Very good. Anybody else in Guyana you wanna say hello?
Oh, my brother, man. I wanna pick up my brother. Love you all, man. Love Trini Bites too, man. My boy. Happy birthday.
Yeah. There's some plain curry chicken today. Nice curry chicken or chicken curry. We also have some pork I'm going to stew with some pepper, about 3 pepper inside here. Alright, so cheers. Welcome again. Everybody's hanging out. Yes. We have a show here.
I'm Alvin's auntie. What?
Happy birthday to American in Trinidad and Tobago. Cheers. And your girlfriend Michaela said that she loves you very much. And she wanted to shout you out too as well. Oh shit. So, cheers.
Kevin and Cody here, the Canhais.
Kerry. And Atisa.
And this over here. Vijay Mason.
Yeah, come Vijay Mason, boy.
Here we are, Nash family, man. How are you doing there, brother?
Hold on. Better this way.
Of course, man. Enjoy yourself, man. Trini Bites on the house here. All right, yeah, we have some barbecue going on here. It's a big line here today with all the family and friends. So you had two girls going.
Back on where one guy like that one.
And here we have the lunch and the float again.
Very slippery.
We have Savi and Cody there preparing some onions to cook the curry goat. Yeah, let me see some goat there. Right, man, nice.
Big up everybody.
Everybody.
All the Trini Bites fans.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Naya.
So we have Jalel here, the first curry ducky cooking, and it's coming out really nice. But you know, your mom coaching him a little bit, but they're looking good. Seven partner here, I think the barbecue already done. Oh yeah, man, beautiful. You have more chicken here as well? We have Savi going to Chunky goat here now. We see that special sultan, you know? But I hear this woman teacher cook. Watch out the chunky nothing there, right?
Chili.
Yeah, come on ready.
What's up?
Nasha's here.
The Trini Bites on them.
The Trini Bites brother here. All right. We have the hamburgers, hot dog. Yeah, we have the dog here as well too.
You smell kilo? Okay, look at this. You smell kilo? Oh my goodness.
All friends and family here.
So cute.
Don't do that.
You guys want to big up anybody?
We got Trini Bites.
Yeah, man, Trini Bites.
All right, man. We like men here today.
Yeah, man.
Hold on. I had to get my glass and cheers with you.
Nice.
All right. We have one guy sleeping here. I know like he lime whole night last night. All right. And we have grandma with the baby here. Is it Trini Bites baby? Yeah. And we have grandpa there too as well. And papa there. Where's your other grandma?
Grandma is in the water.
Oh, okay.
Trini Bites right here.
We meet up some family here. And it's curry duck.
Enjoy, guys.
And we have a good friend here, Chan. You want to say hi to anybody?
No, just the Bobby and family.
Trini Bites.
Trini Bites. Hello, Trini Bites.
And a great Kishore there.
They may know that. If anybody go back in history, you go see you an amazing job. You and your kids, your wife, Trini Bites. But listen to me, the best
Public mobile. Mobility.
curry,
Duck.
goat head. No.
Oh, the goat head.
I can't go in the duck with Sita. The best curry duck is Sita. The best curry jira is me. So
All right. So you have to do one for me next time we coming up here then.
I can do that. I fumble on that thing.
My good friend, Mr. Chan, go over with my kids, my son-in-law. Well, this is shocking. This dog doesn't go by anybody and he going by Sherry. Wow. Amazing. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. That's how you open my stag.
Alright, watch. You don't with me and Chris. The box of Uncle Kishore.
And Uncle John.
Uncle Chan. Uncle Chan.
So yeah, Diamond, buddies here, good friends, good family. Mr. Chan and Mr. Kishore.
Hey, the best of the friends.
Yeah, man. So cheers. Cheers, boy. Cheers.
When last you give me a joke, boy? Bobby.
What you done? Get him a joke on the camera too.
Chan missed that.
Yeah. Oh. A former Prime Minister Trump went to the mechanic. He said he indicated he's not working. So the mechanic said, okay, go out in front and tell me what's going on. And he put on the switch. And the former Prime Minister said, it's working, it's not working. Working, it's not working. Working, it's not working. A fella was ironing clothes. And send down the phone ring. And they make a mistake and pick up the iron and put him in. And he burn up his face. They go by the doctor. When he by the doctor say, what happened, boy? He said, boy, I was ironing clothes and the phone ring. And I end up putting the phone and I burn up my face. So when he watched it, I was like, see, but how the other side burn up? He said, boy, they call back.
Hey, Bobby.
Here, look, close up. Check the pot there.
Oh, she painted like
Look there.
Yeah, I see the real thing, man.
Yes.
Yes, man.
Trini Bite.
Trini Bite, shout out.
We're having a drink here at Holmes
Yeah.
Point.
Cheers.
Two ducks. Cheers.
We getting the water, we liming.
We boiling it down. Kids are swimming in the park.
Right.
This is what we do.
That's it.
This is nice.
That's it.
Can't complain about this at all.
Yeah, man. Big up to you. Big up to you, Ralph.
Can you believe he just went by her?
Yeah, boy. Big up. What's up, Chris?
What's up?
What's up, Grizzly? Hi, Papa. This dog doesn't go by nobody. And it went by Mr. Cham today and his wife.
Riders are
My good friend.
car. I forget the name of the car.
And I bet you back Kishore. Kishore, you can't hold us down.
Huh? Sherry? Take a picture.
No, but Sherry take him already?
Is this too close? Too close for the crazy people?
Trini bites is no horse, yo. Tell him. He covering his face. He feel woman see.
Chris.
Yeah. The man, the original can hide, boy. Original can hide, boy. Ice cream guy here. Ice cream. And
So we're having a good time here in Lyman again. Trini Bites on the house. With the float here, my nephews and him. My son. My son-in-law brother. Who is that? And his apprentice. And of course, Kerry. And the niece. Yeah. Alright. So cheers to everybody. Again. Cheers to my good friends. Ready? Hey, I like to pick up my brother, my only brother. Deepak Prasad, you're my life. I love you guys. I love you and my four sisters. Dea, Savi, Indra, and Sandra. I like to pick up my aunt, Chan. Chan from Kampu. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Oh.
Chris is pouring his shot.
happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. God.
Yeah?
Thanks, huh?
No problem.
Justin, you want a shot?
Of course I want a shot.
Bagay.
Happy birthday. Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. All right, so here's my handsome nephews and beautiful niece. All right. Hello. You guys want to say hi to anybody?
Pick up Trini Bites.
All right. Are they going back on the float?
Yeah, we're
Yes, of course.
All right then.
This is my mom.
Go with them. Go and snap at them. All right, Jerry can highs.
Somebody missing though.
Shout out to my cousin there, Vijay. Well, can I call him VJ? But we born the same day, but different years. Years apart. So, cheers to you, Vijay.
Yes, pick up PJ.
Are we having mom here? I'm going to say what is for you. And what's it? Kevin is not drinking. You drive it. You drive it today. Right? Cheers. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, Nash.
Yeah, boy.
What are you making there?
Making some short ribs. Filipino short ribs.
Where do you walk?
Long day, boy. Don't know, big up the whole Trini Bites family.
Yeah, man.
Boom.
Big up, big up, big up, big up. Big up. Yeah, yeah. Cheers. What kind of beer is that, hoisin?
Red horse.
Red horse.
You see that? You see that?
8%.
Strong beer, strong beer.
Oh.
8%.
Big up to Alexa. And Alvin.
Yo, Trini Bites.
Trini Bites. So we meet up some friends here. Keith, Rishma, and Sastri. Right? They're subscribers. And they meet us at Holmes Point. And cheers, guys, cheers. And you're on Trini Bites, eh?
Right.
Don't forget. And then my son there, Chris.
Happy birthday.
I think I'll meet him. And Tahir there. And we have Cody.
Tell him, sir.
And family again.
Boy,
Only here for load when you go to the water.
You want to say hi to anybody?
We go big up the Brampton bossy. We go big up Johnny and Ajax.
All right.
When we ain't shook, son. Johnny, we ain't shook, son. We up in Holmes Point. We miss you. Love, love, love.
Tell me, meet your good partner, Bobby.
And we meet your partner Bobby here, you know. Bobby is the man.
All right then. Hi, I'd like to wish Carlos and Shameen Maharaj happy anniversary and many, many more to come. Also from your son Kyle and Trini Bites. Also Anna and Ken, happy anniversary as well. And again, many, many more to come.